Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. Let's get ready to take the traditional sweet potatoes topped with marshmallows to the next level. So let's get to cooking. The ingredients include 2 whole eggs beaten, a half a cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of real butter melted and slightly cooled, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 4 cups of roasted sweet potatoes, about 3 pounds. The topping includes a half a cup of golden raisins, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cold butter, and a half a cup of chopped pecans. Begin by preheating your oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit to roast the sweet potatoes. I prefer them roasted versus boiled, but you can do what works best for you. You'll need to clean them, and I drizzle them with some olive oil before roasting, then place them on a baking pan. Then place the potatoes in the oven to roast for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your potatoes. Meanwhile, mix the eggs, sugar, melted and cooled butter, then vanilla last. Once roasted, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool because you will be removing the skins. When they're cool enough to handle, remove the skins. Slice the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. You can also mash them, but I prefer mine in chunks. Now for the topping. In a small bowl, combine brown sugar and flour. Cut in the butter until mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Top with the golden raisins. Last, stir in the pecans, then sprinkle the topping evenly over the sweet potatoes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees before adding the dish to the oven. Once heated, bake for 20 minutes or until heated thoroughly. Now it's time to remove the potatoes from the oven and allow the dish to cool before serving. So warm and tasty, you won't miss the marshmallows. Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions, and please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.